Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Red Hills Road. Now this is a very busy road in the city of Kingston. We're actually heading towards the Meadowbrook area. So we came off Washington Boulevard and we're driving on Red Hills Road towards Meadowbrook. Now on the left is the Red Hills Mall. This used to be one of the top malls in Jamaica at one time, but for one reason or the other it has really fallen off. A supermarket used to be over here. NCB used to have a branch here. That's Island Grill straight ahead. Now this road used to have a lot more business places on it, but I think it was, not sure what happened. There's a Total gas station over here now, and there's a Popeyes food store over here. I've always been a bit surprised that you have these stores like Popeyes that does cooking. They have, on the same compound as a gas station. I'm sure they have the necessary safety measures in place, but you need a fire to cook food. You have the store literally right on the compound of the gas station. Sometimes I have them in the food stores in the gas station, but I'm sure they have the necessary safety measures. Alright, now what Red Hills Road is famous for is pan chicken. Now at night you have a lot more stalls operating, especially on the weekend. But there you can see some people setting up now. And of course, but on the right is where you used to have a Sugar and Spice location, but they're not there anymore. That's the Sunshine Plaza on the right. On the left is KFC. On the right is St. Richard's Primary School, one of the top schools in Jamaica. They get a lot of government scholarships, which is the highest award when you do the exam to go from prep school to high school. Taxi literally just stops in the road. Now this is Mart here, which is a wholesale club in Jamaica. Very, very popular. at this point, Red Hills Road veers this way. So we're staying on Red Hills Road as we turn off here. Now straight ahead, you're looking at Queens Hill.